Today's video is sponsored by Elon Musk. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node. Bring a directional blur node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Change the type to centered, and increase the length slider to 0.2. Add a waviness node after. Change the type to horizontal, and bring down the scale slider. Bring a lens distortion node, increase the distortion slider, check the split channel box, and play around with the channels just to waste your time. Add a zoom blur node. Increase the zoom amount slider. Open the channel adjustments, and waste your time even more. Change the blur type to stylized. And of course, for the last step, add a soft glow node. Set the threshold slider to 0.4, the gain slider to 1, and increase the glow size. Open the color scale menu, and play around with the color sliders, just because I said so. Connect it to the merge node as a foreground. Add an ellipse mask to the merge node, check the invert box, and increase the soft edge slider. If you are too lazy to do the work, this will be in my next pack, but till then you can buy my previous pack, so I can flex my money.